Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to restore deleted videos in Instagram. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write comments and also subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get you and me started. And I will say that if you suddenly deleted some videos reels from your Instagram, they can easily be restored. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open Instagram. Then go to your page. Then on the top right-hand side, click on the three bars to open Settings. In the Settings, select the option Your Activity, and this is where you'll need to scroll down to the bottom and select the option to download your information. Now friends, click here Download your info. Now select your Instagram page. After that, click on Next. Now select the option of All Information. And now download to your device or device. After that, you will need to select the timeline for how long you would like to download the information to your device. To do that, please click right here on the date, and you can select and adjust that timeline. So it would be information from, let's say, the last week or month or year, or the entire use of your Instagram. Once you've selected the date you want, click Next. And then at the bottom, click Create File. And now at this point, you're done creating a request to Instagram to be provided all of your deleted reels. And thus, you'll be taken back to a page like this, where you'll have this Instagram deleted data recovery request. And you'll have to wait a while for Instagram to respond to your request. In terms of time, it can absolutely be a different interval. That is, if you, for example, chose a smaller time school, then, accordingly, Instagram will answer you faster. If a larger time school, then longer. But it'll take a few hours. After which you can go back to this page and see these files that you need to click on Download so that you can download all of this information to your device. Friends, this is the method you will be able to recover deleted Reels videos in Instagram. I really hope this video was helpful to you friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and comments. Bye-bye.